Hi friends, this is gonna be a pretty quick vlog style video. I'm hanging out on the porch and I'm about to use Polly's heat gun to mold some plastic onto my 3D printed plague doctor mask so I can make a Dr. Frankenfurter plague doctor. Polly and I are going to Dragon Con with some friends in September, so I'm kind of running on a deadline here. But I hope you all are doing well, and good luck on all of your projects and all the shenanigans you're getting into. Hello everyone, so I have finished up with this stage of my Frankenfurter mask. So we have our moldable plastic. You just melt these beads down and sculpt with it, and I put this on the 3D printed plague doctor mask that Polly made. So now our next step is to use some spray paint so that we can have a nice base for acrylic. So I'm just going to use a fillable primer spray paint to cover this one, and then we'll just paint on Frankenfurter's face for our plague doctor Frankenfurter. And I'm going to be doing the surgeon gown Frankenfurter. I'm very excited. And I'm intimidated by Tim Curry's excellent wig in Rocky Horror Picture Show. So we'll see how that goes for me. But I wanted to hang out with you guys for a few minutes to talk about some life updates and the shenaniganery that has been going on the past couple of days. So yesterday was a big stressor. So we've been packing for going to North Carolina for a little bit, and we have been making plans with friends to see them before I have to go back to school, and I won't be in the state, and I have friends in Pennsylvania now, so it will be sad to see them, you know, to not see them. I was gonna say sad to see them go. No, I'm going. So we're saying all our goodbyes and making plans with people and doing this, that, and the other, and then my car shits the bed. So, and by shitting the bed, I mean the car would not start. I would turn the key and no ignition and nothing, not even acting like the engine wanted to turn over. So yesterday I discovered this, and I'd been driving it every day and it was just suddenly out. So that was troubling. And then we thought it might be an electrical issue. It might be like the neutral safety switch. It might be the starter. It could be a variety of things. But we were hoping it was something simple, easy, yada yada. But it never feels like it's gonna be that when it's a car problem. Car problems are just like peak stress, except flights. Apparently like making plans and flying and such, that kind of travel is very stressful, but you know. So yesterday we worked to try some things out, and nothing worked, and I was very not happy and just thinking like the worst, and that, you know, we found out that the car had shit the bed after business hours, so we couldn't do anything about it yesterday, and I felt kind of stuck because I wanted to fix the problem because we're running on a deadline. I gotta drive this car 9 hours on Friday. So I streamed last night, which was great, and it's always great to have my Twitch community, and we played some Valheim and I loved it. My Twitch community is just so great. It's like hanging out with friends, because it is hanging out with friends at the end of the day. I don't want to think that it's just like a sort of parasocial relationship between me and my like Twitch viewers, because I get to talk one-on-one with them being such a small streamer, and I hang out with them outside of stream most of the time. So they're great folks, and if you want to see some of my Twitch streams, the link is below as usual. I stream every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Saturday if you're interested, unless I'm driving and out of town. Those are the times when I cannot stream. So anyway, So we had a good time last night, and then Polly and I went to go visit some friends, and we crafted, and it was awesome. And they're the ones that got me into these moldable beads, plastic beads. I tried to do instant paper mache, didn't stick to this guy, but I also think I added too much water. So it was trial and error. But Polly and I got up this morning, I put out a sign on my car that was like, I'm so sorry, my car won't start. I can't move my car today because every Wednesday I have to move my car to the other side of the street because street sweeping happens. So I couldn't move my car today. So I was like, I don't want a $20 ticket for my car not being able to start. So I put a white t-shirt in my window, and I also wrote a note and put like a sad face on it and said, sorry, my car won't start. Getting it looked at today, and then I put the date on there, and they had mercy on me. The police in the area had mercy, and it was awesome. So we got the car fixed today after, you know, the police gods having mercy on me. We got it fixed after we realized that it was the starter, because one of the mechanics we called early in the morning said, well, why don't you just hit it with a rubber mallet and see if it's the starter? We can't see you today. We're booked till next week, but usually hitting it with a mallet will let you know if it's the starter. So we did that, started the car. I was able to drive my car to a shop that could see us today, and I just got my car back at 5 p.m. So hi everybody, Polly got back, and I rushed off, and I rushed to tell the end of my story, but I hope it made sense. And he's a sweet babe, and he brought me spray paint. So keep an eye out on my Instagram and other things for my art updates. He just walked into the apartment. But yeah, I wanted to tell you guys to do nice things for yourself this weekend, stay safe, and I will be back next week with more art and updates and vloggy things and stuff. Take care. Bye.